Hi everyone, this is Kate Sanchez, your professor for this course. I just wanted to give you a brief tour of the class so you know sort of what to expect as we go into week one. So this is the home page for the course where you land when you click on it. To do the work, you actually want to click on modules. And from here, each week has a module. Now I haven't opened up beyond week one yet, but you can at least see that there are other weeks that exist in this 5-week course. So for week one, you can see that every week sort of has similar things in that you'll have a week overview to start with. It includes readings. Just click on the link to get to the reading. If it's easier for you to print this or copy it into a Word document, that's fine, or you can read it right on the screen. Just make sure that you take notes. There's a second reading for this week as well. So you want to read both of those readings and then complete the other tasks like the discussion, the weekly prompt, and the quiz. And then below I have just some goals for this week, things to focus on as we go through. Now to get to the next page, you can click on Next here. And this is every week I will have a writing quotation to inspire you, to help you think about creative writing in a new way. And then from there you can either click Next or Previous, or you can actually click on Modules to see the full list again. For the discussions, we're going to post here with each other. You can just click here on Reply to put your post in response to these questions. When you're done with that, make sure that you respond to at least 2 of your peers' posts. And this is the rubric here for how I will grade you. You can respond to another person's post by clicking on Reply below it. In addition, we have a weekly prompt, so every week there will be this assignment where you're just going to write. Don't think too much about it or stress about it or make it perfect. Just do the assignment, write it, submit it, and do the best that you can do. The idea is that we get you writing and working on things, and we get kind of that creativity flowing. There's a quiz this week in response to a reading that you will do. Note, make sure you read all the instructions. So things like you'll have 30 minutes, you have 2 attempts, that sort of thing. Those are important. And the last thing for this week is actually an extra credit activity if you do it. And the idea is that we interact with each other and each other's writing. So you can post something you've written in the last week, and you can read and provide constructive feedback on other people's work. So if you do post your creative work and respond to at least one other person, you can earn up to 5 extra credit points for doing this. Another thing I want to note is that this course is asynchronous, which means that we will never have to be online at the same time unless we're creating a meeting or something like that. So you will do the work at your own pace on your own schedule, but make sure that you are meeting all of the deadlines each week. Okay, so don't wait till the last minute, right? Create a schedule for yourself now for how you're going to manage your time and when you will complete your assignments this week so that you can spend time reflecting and really engaging with each of them so that you're growing and learning through this course. That's really what it's all about, that you're not the same person you started when you leave this class, but that you've learned and grown new things to become the best version of you, and to take what you learn forward with you into your studies and into your career. Okay, if you want to see the syllabus, you can click here. There's a document to download, or you can read it here as well. This is where you would see your grades. This is where you would see people in the class. I know that this class is not synchronous, so we won't be meeting for class periods, but if there's something you need, just let me know. Please email me. I'm here to help you. And if you want to schedule a Zoom meeting, that would be great. I'd be happy to schedule that with you. We could, I could answer your questions. We could go over an assignment. We could talk about your writing in general, what you want to do with your future. Just seriously, let me know what you need, and even maybe what you need as a class, and I'm happy to help you in any way that you need. So just let me know. All right, good luck everybody and welcome to class.